there, thanks for stopping by Mac Customs. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment, hit the like button, stuff like that really help our channel grow. Today I just wanted to show you guys a little bit more that we've done on the 660. We have that Yamaha Grizzly 660 that we had. It's completely scrapped, and we decided that we're going to build this and put it back to a running bike. So after the last video, it kind of got put aside because we got a little busy in the garage. This is just a project we're doing in our spare time, if we ever actually have spare time. But we have been able to get a bit done to it. The last video we showed fixing the issue with the diff. So the rear diff is mounted. We put the new plates in, which is a really common thing to happen with the Grizzlies. So hopefully this little video will help anyone that has issues with their rear diff of a Grizzly. Since then, we did all the welding that we needed to do. He was going to do a couple of more brackets and a little bit more support, but when we were doing the welding, we realized it could go on forever. So we did what we needed. It's structurally sound now. We're confident that there's no more breaks that we missed. So we just went ahead, we painted it, as you can see. Paint to it, just a nice black finish. We have the red steering stem, getting that all ready. The next biggest thing, what we're waiting for now, is the engine. We do have some parts coming for the engine, so once they arrive, we will get that together. We'll do a video showing you what we come across. If you look down there, that is the pile for the Grizzly. So eventually everything down on the floor is going to have to go back onto this bike for us to call it a successful rebuild. So that is where we're at with that. We just didn't want you guys to think we had pushed it aside and forgot about it. Again, we're just doing this on our spare time. So just keep watching. Like I said, subscribe. That way there you don't miss any videos as we put them out. And you can keep updated on the Grizzly and all of our other projects. So thank you so much for stopping by MacCustoms, and we will see you in the next video.